Hello everyone. Today I'm here to tell you how to grow easily available plants at home which produces more oxygen at home. One very common plant is the money plant which is not required more care. You can just pluck the stem. This is the stem of money plant from anywhere, but see if it has a node. This is a node portion and this is the only place from where it can grow into new and more big plant. Okay, it needs support because it's a creeper. So you can see it covers the surface area, it makes the surroundings green as well as it gives a pure oxygen also, and easily available everywhere. It's a cheap plant, cheap and best plants. One more example of oxygen producing plant is the holy plant tulsi, which is available at everyone's house. People worship, and it's medicinal plant also. It gives a fresh oxygen and needs a very less care also. Nowadays during corona cases, oxygen is required because in the air due to pollution the percentage of oxygen is not as much good because of pollution of the human activities. So what we can do, we cannot decrease, but we can keep our surroundings clean or get the fresh air by planting these type of cheap and best easily available plants at our home, which makes our surrounding green as well as gives a fresh air also. Hey guys, you can see here what are visible on the soil. These are obviously mango seeds which have been thrown here to let it dry. Obviously it's a season of mango, seasonal fruit, and mango is the king of fruits also. फलों का राजा कहते हैं हम इसको because it's super duper tasty and available throughout the world. Here what I am going to show you. See, nowadays many things are not available at home, like we cannot purchase pots also because of lockdown, but we can use our ideas, we can use our brain to use the waste material to grow new plants. So first of all I'm just showing you, I have thrown some seeds of mango to let it dry. Some seeds are dried also. Now what I have done, I have taken the milk packets and the Tide, means I want to say here any poly bag which is strong and big enough, you can take it, fill it with the soil and the cow dung, and whichever plants you want to grow you can grow it. This is a time of rainy season, so I have taken one of the seed of mango when it was dried and it was broken from this side, and the baby plant which was inside it, you can see it is also going to be broken. From here only this new plant will come out. So then I have taken and I have put inside the packet which was already filled with the soil and the cow dung, and after some time, after giving water, you can see a small sapling of mango plant with beautiful shiny leaves come out. And when it will grow a little bit big, I will plant it into soil. Can you guess which plant it is? Obviously, it's of tamarind, means imli. I like imli too much, and when I eat imli, I collect the seeds of imli or tamarind. And same thing I have done. I have taken this packet of surf, okay, and filled with the soil and cow dung, some dried leaves which are available at my kitchen garden, and I have put the seed. After some time, you can see a small baby plant arise which is so pretty and beautiful. You can see cotyledons are still there. Okay, so this way we can utilize the waste material, not to purchase the pots if it's not available. Even you can use the old buckets also or pots also, मटका जिसको आप बोलते हैं ना, pitcher. Similarly I have grown the guava plant also. So many packets are there. I have collected soil and I'm waiting for the seeds to be grown over there, and then when they will little bit bigger, I will go to the dividers of the road where the green belts are there and I will put over there. Can you guess which stem it is? It is a stem of jackfruit plant. The plant was this much small only, and I have planted in the soil, and after some time, means 2 to 5 years, it has grown into big tree, and now it is giving fruits, 10 to 15 fruits every year. So many fruits we have taken. Now still you can see 3 fruits are still there. Similarly, you can see this is a lemon plant. Can you see the fruit of lemon? Okay, that was a small sapling I have put outside of my kitchen garden, and after some years it started giving fruits every year. We are not purchasing lemon, even the neighbors comes to take the lemons from our house. So we are the provider of our mohalla, the lemon and the jackfruits also. So that's all for the day. You can make your surroundings green by using your ideas, the seeds which you are using, which you are not using, collect it and sow it. You will sow one seed, you will get more than that. Thank you for watching.